What's up, fellas? We got some giveaway info for you, so stick around. I want to tell you about this next video, show you the combatants, and then get ready because giveaway's coming. There's combatant number one, little modified Honda Odyssey 350 with a tiny little big bore and water jacket and some porting and a pipe, some cardboard. Pitting her against this baby, new age technology, 700 fuel injected 4-stroke, EFI, manual clutch, some IRS. Whole lot of more power, baby. So we'll see. You guys tell me who won. I'm going to show you one of the races. I'm not going to show you all of them, but I'll show you one. You guys tell me who won. So we'll see. Hopefully this will help somebody out. When they're broken down on the trail. You guys just made a trip to Harbor Freight, so I'm going to be giving this bag away. You guys be sure and watch the video and find out how to win it. Be sure and like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Turn on your bell notifications for this one. It's going to matter. Giveaway, fellers. See what you get here. This is for the outdoorsman in you and the prepper, just the prepared preppedness. Oh yeah. Got you right here. Next giveaway. So coming in the next 4 videos, I'm gonna ask for a little something in there, and you give me what I'm asking for in the comment, and then you're gonna pretty much, this is just to get you set up. You know, there's all kinds of uses for that. This is a crazy world we're in right now, and 75-foot rope go a long ways, about 75 feet to be exact. Survival knife. Does this one? Oh, check it. It's all Harbor Freight stuff, guys. A lot of you might have it, but I'm going to send this to your front door. And man, then when you're riding with this, you're like Huck Finn out there, dude.
Hell yeah. We're going to be looking at you to be fixing everything.
There you go. You got you some fishing line in there and some waterproof matches
that don't work.
Waterproof matches in this do not work. Everybody needs a sweet big old camo tarp, man. That's some shelter, or you make you a hammock out of that. With the, you know, you can do all kind of stuff right there with that right there. All kinds of stuff with that. It comes with this big old dope backpack. That's a $60 value.
That's sweet.
Dude, this is where you get the real survival items. This is for when you go riding. If you're gonna have to put your own tools in here. I could put some tools in here, but they'd be old and
rounded off.
What you use. I don't even know if you ride if you're watching the channel. I'm hoping you have a bike, but this is for you to ride when you're out there in the woods and you don't know, and you're not real confident in what you're, kind of like Blake, man. You're out there on the SSR, and frankly, you don't know if you're gonna get it home. Plus, you're just riding crazy level, tear stuff up all the time, and
just one wheel up.
There you go. What's up with this duct tape? That's, you wreck yourself, you mess yourself. New underwear.
That's right, basically self-tappers, bolts, and screws all in one.
Come on, man. Teach a guy to fish, play with this. Learn on your free time, on the weekends and shit.
You can take a buck down.
You can damn sure blind it.
Oh, yeah.
You can piss them off real good. Couple flashlights, man, with batteries. You gotta have those for when, oh, no batteries. Okay, dead batteries. Oh, one's got a battery. The other one does have a battery, probably don't work.
Someone left it on.
Got batteries. Got you that flashlight. You always need some light out there. Big old sharpening stone. You guys need to stay sharp. Fire starter. I don't know if you know how to use it or not, but man up if you don't. We're about to start branching into this survival thing. Hey, like I said, it's a rough time we're living in.
Gear.
So, this is the way you keep, I mean, there you go, tire plugs. Threw that in on the deal because, you know, you're going to need it. 2 rolls electrical tape. Now, this is a full kit, you guys. Understand. Got you this tactical knife. Got you the sharpener for this stuff so you can get that puppy as sharp as you need it, whatever kind of cutting you're doing. And then the sweet little double light. It's got a hanger on it. You get, you know, you can hang it in the tent, hang it in your badass new Tarp tent. Look at that bee. Get him out of there. He's huge. Got him. He's freaking huge, you guys. You see the size of that thing?
I got him. He ain't
Blake
even.
didn't hesitate either. He jumped right in.
I got him. I knocked him out. He ain't back.
Dude, this is a survival kit inside of a survival kit.
That's amazing.
By the way, guys, Blake's starting a new business, and we really need y'all to support him. More on that in a little bit. He'll fill you in on the details. This is actually the kit he uses. When
Sometimes. Not minus the safety
baby
kit.
mama coming knocking,
Yeah.
then he dips out on this. Check this out. This is a full kit, fellas. It matches this up. Man, we're worried about you out there. Oh!
Bottle opener.
Yeah, something else. I don't know what exactly. Fire starter. Rectal examination gloves. Mullet condoms.
Yep.
Dude, there's rubber bands in here too. Just don't leave it on.
Each, no, that's just a 5-pack of condoms each.
Dude, full blown medical kit. Got you some gauze in there if your lady needs a maxi on the fly, dude. Don't let her make a mess. Don't let her make excuses either. Look at this. Now, she'll try and waste all that on one. You better make her cut it in half.
That's heavy flow.
Look at scissors in there, man. Tweezers.
Look at that.
Full blown. Now, you guys want to add some stuff to this. You want to put your Benadryl in there in case you get like a bee sting or something, or a sweet scorpion sting, or a centipede sting, or a snake. I call them snake stings. They ain't that bad. But if you get a snake sting, it's good to have.
Except for spitting cobras.
Guys,
Theirs are pretty bad.
come on. You're going to want to wash this because I am now touching it. I've touched it. Dude. Come on. You just take that on the road with you. You never know what kind of juicy meal is going to walk by.
That's built for a can of soup.
This apparently is only for breaking out windows. I don't know why you need that. I think this is more of a riot tool, but it's in there.
Sometimes to survive, you need to steal someone's vehicle.
What is this here?
It's a telescope.
I don't know what that's for.
Star travel.
Comes with the, oh, yeah. Comes with the sweet light that needs battery apparently. Some paracord. A poncho. Man, 2 multi-tools. A fire starter right here. You gotta know how to use it. Practice makes perfect, guys. Ooh, Blake's gonna like this one. Check that out.
Oh my.
Coming at you free, boys.
Wow.
And I even got the thing to sharpen it. You won't even know it's Chinese, because it probably is. Dudes. Then you got this.
What?
Full blownsies.
Damn, dude.
So be sure and like and subscribe. Like and subscribe and be ready. Watch and put on your bell notifications, because I'm going to ask for something in the middle of one of our next 4 videos. And it could be the next video. There's a video going up tonight, Honda Odyssey. Honda Odyssey 350 video.
Damn.
Go watch it. In the next 4 videos, somebody's going to win this sweet, all expenses, new, all expenses paid survival kit.
There's only like 2 bodies on that knife that I can count for. I ain't admitting to either of them.
Well, that one pissed me off. So here you go, guys. Check it. One size fits all. I could throw this on. Blake can throw this on. It's pretty light. Feel it. Is it lighter in my bag?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, because it
There's
needs
no
you
tools.
to finish it off. It needs you guys to finish it off. I was going to send it with a can of starting fluid, because that'll pretty much get you out of any jam. Start a fire, you know, strip the paint off, whatever.
Yep.
Put it
Huff
in your
it.
hair if you got a date, you know.
Huff it.
Or if you need to, if you had questionable sex, you spray it right on your dong.
Yep.
And
It'll clean it.
it'll be like when a snake sheds its skin. Then you're starting baby fresh, dude. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. Blake, you can take a minute, man. I probably got like 30 seconds for you to plug your deal, dude. Don't run them off with your.
I like titties.
That's all you needed?
Yeah.
Well, let them see the sign.
Oh.
They already knew that. They already knew you like
Well,
tits.
I mean, I will do mullet
Give
stuff.
give us 3 examples of what the hell mullet stuff is.
Bang your mom, bang your sister, bang your daughter. So if y'all need me to...
So that's just banging. You're gonna need a first gen 4 Loco or no deal?
Yeah, and Plan B. Yes, no pulling mullets. I do stunts, and I do need beer or
Gotcha.
tequila.
Required. It's a 4 drink minimum.
Yeah, but basically I'm trying to save up for a pet bald eagle, just for
The van, just for having in the Suburban.
Not just for like a pet, but like as a long time companion. That's also
For security.
Security wise,
And just status.
He gonna just. You ain't never heard of an eagle getting fucked up by anything.
There you go. All right, well, no rules, it says.
There is no rules.
Simple rules, guys. Just got to be a subscriber. Give me the comment I'm looking for in the middle. It's going to be in one of these next 4 videos. So give me the comment I asked for, and I'm going to ship this thing to you as long as you're in the United States. So get you nice started off. I'm not saying it's everything you need, but it's a good start. Take it with you, and then if you get stranded for a couple days, maybe you'll be all right. I used to get lost all the time. Blake gets lost.
Used to.
On a purpose.
Yep.
On a purpose, he gets lost sometimes. Just the other day, he was supposed to be here.
I got lost.
I'm lost. I was chasing this guy. He sideswiped my dude hit and run Blake the other day. Blake had to chase him down and then upgrade from a van to a nice bourbon and a pocket full of cash left over.
Yup.
Just straight for the chase.
He tried to
hit and run
run
that
off.
shit.
I chased him for 30 minutes. Caught his ass.
Caught his ass. That F-250
He almost caught a couple of those, but
sent his 9-year-old out with some paperwork.
Crying. She was bawling too.
Oh my goodness. And then the 5-0 told him,
they're like, here's the case number. You're free to go.
it's going to be $34 for the police report. It'll be ready in like a month.
Yep, exactly.
This old boy will be back in, Rio de Janeiro down there.